So guys, today we are making something a little different from the normal Jamaican food. So today we are doing some spaghetti with saltfish. So we have some tomato paste. I also have some chili oil. I have tomato, onion, bell peppers, red and green bell peppers, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme. The first thing I'm going to do is rinse the saltfish and boil it. I'm going to boil it twice, and I'm also going to put the spaghetti to boil. Now I'm going to add my spaghetti to the pot. And there, I wonder if we broke it. The last time I broke it, people them saying if we broke spaghetti. So so I guess I'm gonna let that sit. Alright, I'm gonna go in with a little salt and leave that for boil. Add in the saltfish to the boiling water. We're gonna boil this 2 times and then we're gonna clean and debone. While our spaghetti and saltfish boiling, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our vegetables. So here I'm just chopping the onion into smaller pieces. Then we're going to go ahead with our tomatoes. And I'm using 1 large tomato. I'm going to go ahead with our red bell peppers, and I'm going to cut them as thinly as I can for now. And we're going to chop up our pepper. This is green scotch bonnet pepper. And garlic. So the noodle is done boiling. So we're going to turn off the stove. We're going to save some of the water from the pasta. We're going to throw off this. Oh God. May I try use one hand, which is not a good idea, guys. But yeah. Some cold water. Just start the cooking process. So I'm just gonna leave this to drain and cool for later. After the saltfish done boil, we're gonna throw off the water. Some cold water. And then we're gonna clean clean out the skin. So Jamaican saltfish fur. So I remove the skin and then we debone it. And this is option, guys. If you like the skin on it, that's okay. But yeah, I'm gonna take it off. See the difference? So just like a debone. So remove anything we don't want from it. So I like the main bone, so I'm gonna leave this in. Right, so it's optional to you guys. Use whatever you want, remove whatever you want. I'm also gonna leave this in. So you'll have the saltfish ready. So to the pot, I'm gonna add some olive oil. Then to that, I'm going to add a little fried chili oil. So while this is going, it's I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic, my onion, I'm going to add some tomato paste to that. I want a nice rich color. I'm gonna add some thyme leaf to this dish. Give this another nice stir, and then we're gonna add the saltfish. also add my vegetable. I did went ahead and add some carrots. So it's carrot, bell peppers, and tomato. So guys, you can go ahead now with some stock. Also use some heavy cream, but I'm going in with some pasta water. Let that simmer for about maybe 2 minutes, not for too long. I'm gonna go ahead and add the noodle. Now you see why I like to break the noodle, but they say don't break the noodle. Ugh. So now I'm gonna add a piece of butter just to make the noodle a little glossy. Let's see if this can help you out. Guys, you can go in and taste it to see if it needs any kind of salt. I did put salt in the noodle water, so I don't it need any salt. I am also gonna add a little cheese. You don't have to, just a little. Just gonna cover it for maybe like a minute, and then that's it. I'm going to go back in. So I did turn the stove way down low. So let's I don't know, me, the bone have to be a part of my meal.